Here is how to edit passwords saved in Google Password Manager. So let's get started. First open your browser and then search for passwords.google.com. Search for this, then log in with the Google account where you'd want to edit the password. You can change the account by clicking on the profile icon on the top right. So from here, we can change it. And once you've come to the right account, you can scroll down and see all of the sites and apps for which you've saved passwords. So now let's say I want to edit my password for adidas.co.in. I'll click on this. Then I'll just have to verify myself by putting my password. And here we can see our username and password. So if you want to see your password, you can just click on this eye icon. But now to edit either of them, just click on edit. And here we can edit our username, password, or the note. So now let's say I want to change the email ID because it was another one. So now it's changed. And the same way, you can change the password or the note. And once you're done, click on save. And as you can see, the changes have been saved. So now the next time I go to this site, they'll show me the updated username since we just changed it. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some privacy and security settings for your Google account, check out this video. Goodbye.